Samsung Galaxy S9 for just $9 a month. It's over $400 in savings. Hurry, limited time offer.
All right, we're going to take you for the tour. First floor, fun. Second floor, gym patio. Third floor, penthouse, 6 strips of bacon, sesame seed roof. Sunset.
Try the Bacon King with a half pound of beef and 6 strips of crispy bacon. It's truly the Bacon King, only at Burger King.
If these packs have the same number of Blatterly pads, I bet you think bigger is better. Actually, it's bulkier. Always Discreet quickly turns liquid to gel for drier protection. That's a lot less bulky. Always Discreet.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. The emergency alert system has replaced the emergency broadcast system. During an emergency, this system will be used to provide information which will be vital to your safety. The emergency alert system may be used during hazardous material incidents, 911 system failures, floods, earthquakes, or other emergencies. Many radio and television stations in Orange County are participating in the distribution of emergency information using the emergency alert system. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
For hope and inspiration, tune in for the Heart of the Nation Catholic Mass each Sunday morning at 9 a.m. on KDOC TV Los Angeles.